Okay, I'm outside. I just came from the site. I jogged my way through it. It's quite noisy. I'm really sorry, guys. I have these thoughts and I wanted to capture it right now without waiting to be home. And as I was on the site earlier, I realized I observed myself thinking, connecting the dots from my craft to development as I have been into it for the past weeks. I have had a moment of debugging for 6 hours. And I did my debugging yesterday for like just 15 minutes. That's a lot of time saved. What I have noticed is that what I did differently yesterday was that I took things one at a time. I did, I wasn't thinking about that before. That made me debug things 1/4 of the day that I had. That's 6 hours. It's excruciating. And I was drained after that time. Yesterday it was like working out at just the right pace with the right time. My energy was up. And that was just 15 minutes of my day. The most important thing I got from that moment is the realization that you can't really change the surface. I'm connecting this to everything from development to my craft to life, real life situation. You can't fix what's outside. You can't fix the UI. You can't fix the laminates on your cabinets. You can't fix the paint of your building if the concrete behind those painting, the logic behind the UI in development, and your appearance from what's inside your heart isn't fixed. You have to fix the UI first. You have to fix the logic behind that UI first. You have to fix the concrete behind that painting first. You have to fix what's inside your heart before you fix your appearance first. In short, you have to fix what's inside. Everything first before you fix what's outside. What's the appearance going to look? Because it will take a lot of debugging if you do that. It's like in the app I have been making, there are times that I do the UI first. I put what I needed to see there first, the tabs and everything. And then yeah, I get a hit of the dopamine because oh my god, okay, that's the tab is there. It looks really nice. But then when I click, it's not working. It doesn't work. And yeah, that's a dip. That's a dip right there. And when the time has come for me to put the logic besides the tab, it takes me a long, long time, and there's gonna be a lot of bugs. I do a lot of bugs, and not only that, other features of the app gets lost. It gets damaged as well, and I have to debug the whole thing. And it's just like in the construction sense, when you have your paint on the wall, and you will see it's going to crack because the concrete behind it's not stable. It wasn't made properly. It wasn't cleaned properly before the paint was applied, and yeah, you're going to redo everything. It's going to be reworked. It's going to take time because the concrete has to cure, and the paint has to mature, and yeah, really reflecting back on life this time. It's like, yeah, you're going to appear a certain way without it really reflecting what's inside. And it's going to be hard to debug that, in the sense that people is going to look at you, see you in a certain way. People judge. We can't we can't really control that. They'll see you that way. They'll assume you that in a certain way because you look that way. And when the time comes that you need to do something that people, I'm not saying you should people please. Okay, what I'm saying here is that changes should come from inside first before it shows. Before you change what's appearing outside. Yes. What's next? I'm going to continue that logic. I'll keep it in mind whenever I do debugging and updates already. I'm going to fix the logic first before I fix the UI. And that will make my work faster. And yeah, it's gonna be more efficient for me because that's not the only thing I'm doing.